Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we will be testing engine cleaner from gunk and see how good it will clean the engine. As we can see, the engine not being cleaned for a long time and it has so much dust and road grime on it. I'm gonna be using the original type on this video. If this caught your eye, I have a detailed video how I installed my custom front tower strut bar. They have 3 types of spray cans depending on the condition of the engine you will be cleaning. In my case, it's just the dust and road grime, no leaking oil or burnt oil on any surface. Make sure before doing any engine wash that you left the engine over the night without starting, so you have a cold surface. Alright, before doing anything, let's disconnect the battery terminals so we don't have any problem in case if any wire harness leaking water. They also have heavy duty type if you have burnt oil on the engine, but I'm gonna be using the original version in this video. Since I don't have any burnt oil, it's just the dust and road grime. And you don't need power washer, just a garden hose with this handle will be enough. Okay, let's use Gunk's engine cleaner original type. Don't forget to shake the can well before using. The instruction is very easy. Spray it on a cold engine and leave it 14 to 15 minutes and then rinse it with water. I had better result with 15 minutes before, so I will leave it for 15 minutes again and then rinse it with a garden hose. You don't need to use pressure washer, just a garden hose will be good for rinsing. I still have some left in the can after covering up the whole engine bay. This is optional. I'm gonna be using detailing brush to agitate the cleaner on the surface. It's been about 15 minutes with agitating and leaving the degreaser on the engine. Now I'm gonna rinse it with a garden hose. Now we're gonna give the engine bay some time to dry, because when it's wet it looks all shiny and clean, but when it's dry it will show the dirt. Next we can leave it to dry, or we can use compressed air. This will make the process faster. And then we're gonna wipe it off with microfiber towel. Alright, this is how it looks after drying up the engine bay. Now the engine is dry. Looks like I used plastic restorer on the plastics, but I haven't used anything. The plastic on the engine looks like new and not faded color. And I haven't used any plastic restorer on the plastic. If you have foamy engine cover, it will absorb some of the cleaner and make it look oily. So avoid spraying too much cleaner if you have foamy engine cover. But on plastic, you're not gonna have that problem and it will leave it like a factory color. I also have some left in the can after cleaning up the whole engine bay. And I have the heavy duty one and I will use it on an engine that has burned oil. And we will see how good it will clean the engine. After letting the car for an hour, now we're gonna put the battery terminal on and start the engine. But overall, the engine looks great now, and here's how it was before and here's how it looks now. The video is not sponsored and I bought the product with my own money. I have used this product before and had good result with it. I thought it was a great idea to share with you guys since some of you been asking me what kind of engine degreaser I'm using. If you're interested in this product, let me know which one I test in the next video. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.